Bad drivers have been on the roads for as long as cars have, but thanks to dash cameras, they're now being publicly exposed. Tonight, another dangerous driver is being shamed online after being captured on camera in Langley, pulling a highly dangerous and highly illegal move. CTV's Sarah McDonald reports.
What the is he doing?
The driver behind the wheel is speeding so fast you'd almost miss it.
God.
Take another look. That pickup truck blowing past traffic on Highway 1 in Langley using a passing lane that doesn't exist before cutting back in.
Oh my God!
He flies down the shoulder and then right before he hits the barricade forces himself into traffic.
James Milne captured it all on his vehicle's dash camera, posting the footage to the internet. It's already been viewed thousands of times.
We're all driving safely, we're all driving the speed limit, we're all just trying to get to where we're trying to go, and then this guy is obviously thought he was more important than the rest of us.
What wasn't captured on video is that vehicle's license plate. No police report was filed in this case, but it is far from the first time bad drivers in Metro Vancouver have been caught on camera.
How's he doing back there? Still tailgating? Yeah.
This driver near Whistler slapped with a hefty fine for tailgating, busted just last week, months after the incident, when footage surfaced.
I've got everything on video camera, front and back.
And assault charges laid in this North Vancouver road rage incident after a vehicle's window was shattered with a child inside.
It's very dangerous, it's like not caring for others' lives or even one's own life, you know.
For those who spend a considerable amount of time behind the wheel, this latest incident isn't all that surprising.
We do see a lot of them, people they don't care, sometimes they don't have patience.
Reckless drivers like this one putting others in danger. And in this case,
What the is he doing?
getting away with it. Sarah McDonald, CTV News, Vancouver.
Oh my God!